Make your sauce this way and you will thank me later. So today video we're making our sauce. You could see me cutting the carrots. So we're using carrots to make our rice sauce. You had me right. Make sure to save this video for next time because you will definitely need it. So to make this carrot sauce, you need to peel your carrots as usual. After peeling your carrots, you have to cut the carrots into pieces, just like I'm doing right now. Make sure you cut the carrots into very small pieces that is enough to fit into the blender. Cut all of the carrots you need. Today's video I'm using 3 carrots, so I cut 2 of those 3 carrots. You could see me putting it in the blender, and right now I'm blending it. I'm just done blending the carrots, and I'm put it in the bowl. The third carrots, I cut that carrot, but I didn't blend it. I just added it in another bowl. So here I chopped my red bell pepper, and apparently I'm chopping the onions. So I'm gonna be blending these two together in the blender. Like you could see me put the onions in the blender. So I'm gonna be blending these two ingredients together like I'm doing right now. Also, I added hot pepper, you know, the one that peppers a lot. Yeah. So here I'm cutting in my tomatoes. I use 1 large tomato for this recipe. So I'm blending the tomato together with the red bell pepper. I'm just finished blending it and I put it in a bowl. So make sure to slice onions. Fry the onions like I'm doing right now. I just slice the onions. I fry it moderately, not too dry. Then here I'm adding all of those sauce I blended. Here is the carrot. I blended the red bell pepper, the hot pepper, the onions I blended, and of course the carrot I blended. This is a very big pot of stew. So it's boiling right now. We just have to cover it to boil, and when it starts boiling, we have to go in with our seasoning. Okay, right now I'm adding the carrots, the already cut carrots that I did not blend. So I'm just adding it into the recipe right now. So you could see me turning it. The pot is too full, very full. This is a big pot of soup. So I just added my seasoning, which is complete seasoning, and I already added salt, and you can see the outcome of this our stew. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more video like this. This is our sauce. If you don't have no tomato sauce at home and you have carrot, don't worry. This is a very delicious and a healthy sauce you can use to eat your rice. Bye.